Hello everyone. So, this is the first lecture of our subject digital system design. So, the basic difference between digital and analog is that if I would have been taking this lecture in a actual classroom and you would have been attending there physically, then the communication, the thing which I have been transmitting, which I am speaking, that would have been conveyed to you in an analog manner, because there is nothing, no system in between. And now this same thing which I am delivering this lecture from a studio, and this thing is now being converted into digital before at the time of transmission, and you are receiving this thing on a digital platform, maybe a TV, maybe a laptop, maybe on some social media channel, social media platform. So, this is the basic difference between analog and digital. So, to start with, so we will be covering the number systems and the conversion between the various number systems. So, the commonly used number systems, we will be going through that first, and then the interconversion between these number systems. So, these are the contents. We will be covering decimal to base B. Base B can be any base which are more practically used, like octal, hexadecimal and your binary, and then base B to decimal, and then octal to binary and hexa to binary, and between octal and hexadecimal. So, these are the possible conversions which we will be covering. So, now coming to the basic details of these number systems. So, there is 4 number system: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. These are characterized by their base. So, the base is the number of symbols offered by a number system. So, the decimal number system is offering me 10 symbols, 0 to 9, and similarly this binary is offering me 2 symbols, 0 and 1, and then octal is offering me 8 symbols, 0 to 7, and this hexadecimal is offering me 16 symbols, 0 to 9, and then 10 to 15 are being represented by A to F, 10 being A and 15 being F. So, these are the possible conversions which can be done between these decimal to octal, decimal between decimal binary, decimal hexadecimal, binary hexa. So, any number system can be converted into any other number system using some set of rules. So, coming to these, so now we will be first dealing with the most commonly used number system. So, from our childhood days, we are using this decimal. The person is educated or not, the most commonly used number system is that decimal one. So, we will be dealing with how to convert that decimal number into some not so known formats, which are not so known to the humans, but these are more practically used by the machines. So, binary is the one which is being used by the machines, and octal and hexadecimal are actually used as an interface between the machine and the humans. In for example, in microprocessors, we are using hexadecimal as an interface between the human and the machine. So, converting from decimal to base B. So, let us take a general number in decimal. This is a number d dot d. Now, this d is your integer part, and this small d is your fractional part. Okay. Now, we have 2 separate rules for these integer part and fractional parts, and if I want to convert this decimal number into base B, now base B can be 2 for binary, 8 for octal and 16